Hi, I'm Jo Lewis. We initially wanted a deck because we had a bit of a space at the bottom of the garden which we couldn't decide, we weren't happy with, we kept chopping and changing it, we were doing it ourselves. We finally wanted some professional help to get something done that was lasting and would look really great in the garden. We went for the light grey. When I spoke to the sales rep, he said that not a lot of people went for the light grey, thought it was too light. Then we had a chat and we decided to blend it with the darker grey fascias. One of the aspects that we were really looking for was something that was really low maintenance and looked great all year round. I made contact with Lakeland Verandahs and the sales rep was round within, I think, 48 hours he came. It was a really wet day, he was dead helpful because it was hard to envisage what it would look like. From the minute he arrived, the minute he left, he kept in constant contact with us about how long the job was going to take, what the lead time was going to be on them coming and fitting it. We are definitely going to be using Lakeland Verandahs again. I'm looking forward to them coming back and giving us some ideas about how we can join up the two decks. We love going on holiday to Florida, and when you're on that decking you could be anywhere in the world, and it's just lovely to look at the palm trees, and especially when the sun's shining, and it's just such a nice clean space. I would recommend Lakeland Verandahs 100%. I'm a perfectionist myself, and from start to finish dealing with the sales rep, the measuring up, the lead times, the two chaps that came to do the job, and actually the experience of having the deck 100%. Regardless of getting quotes from anybody else, I would go back to Lakeland Verandahs.